Hari Om children. So we have started with data file handling. The last topic we have studied with the pointers, seek pointers and tell pointers. So let us short revise what we have learned so far. So here you can see that data handling. They are explaining about why we are using file handling. This another source I have taken from internet. So let us see that. So there is a reason why we need a data file handling that has been explained to you. Next, they have given a difference why a text file is different from binary file, and which one is convenient to use and which one is. So we can read from this all 4 points. Then next, these are some examples of text file which we have used or maybe used in later times. So we have web standard, HTML, XML, all these are we are using in text format, or notepad we are writing all HTML. Source code we are writing in HTML text format. It will This all text files will open in notepad. We can open in notepad and we can do whatever data changes we can. Here CSV, comma separated values, and some configuration files. So these are the example for text file. Let us see what are the example for binary files. So these are the examples for binary files. So your document files, your image files, video files, you can see what are the formats you can have. Database files, archives, executable files, means operating system files. So these are the files you can have an example for binary. So these are not in the form of text. It can be in any form. Next we'll see what are the operations we have done so far. So we have used some functions, as you can see: open, close, read. Then we will also try read lines, write and write lines, and we will check what are the difference in these functions. We have seen these modes which we have used, all 12 modes are RB, R plus, RB plus, W, WB, WB plus, AB, A plus, AB plus. So these are the different modes which we can use to perform different types of operations in files. So let's get back to the Python program. We move further from our data. I will explain how we are doing the simple operations in Python. So first let us open Notepad. From Notepad I will type something, and the same Notepad I will try to open in Python. So let us open Notepad and write something there. So here I have opened the Notepad, and let us write something. So here I added something in that Notepad. Let us save this. So we are saving our data in Python file, having as let's save here. The document, as you can see here, it will be same in the form of txt. It is now saved. Now let us open this text format from Python. So here we will write f is equal to open the name of the file doc1 dot txt, then mode. We'll just read that. Then we will read whole thing. So we'll just save the things in read. F dot read, F dot read. Then we are going to print this. and after printing we need to close. So this is the file. Let us see. We need to save. Let us save as one. Let's try to run that file. So as you can see here, it reads the whole thing. It has opened and it has shown the link from where it has opened, and it will be there. So we need to save the file in the current directory, then only it will read the files. Let us read one by one. So we have saw the different types of reading. So let us see that. Close. Then suppose if I want to read only 10 lines, this is second one. It reads only 10 characters. Now let us say read line. Read line. So it is reading first line. Next, let's see whether it will work. In that line it will read only 2 characters. Okay, now let us go for lines. And so this is the thing, they are reading line by line. Slash n will denote as the next line. Now let us see what happens when I put some numbers in bracket. Let us see 3. So it gives here. This is the thing, first line. So these are the examples for reading lines. 3 types we saw. So this is what is happening with reading. Let us see what are the options available with writing too. So now we are going to write a document. Let us write that document 2. We can write, and here we will do writing part. Here we will write. Before that we need to write. So first we will see the text which we need to enter. T is equal to, it can be a string. So I will write here. Then I am using in that writing part dot. So we saw this thing. Alrighty. T. I am entering the text, and then I am closing it. Let us see whether it's working or not. Control S, then F5. So it has been saved in the same. The program is the same, but we are creating different types of data. So the different types of data will be saved. So nothing will be happen to document 1. Okay. And here I have created document 2. Now let us see document 3. I am doing some changes here. I am taking as, for creating a line, I need to give it as list so that it will give as a separate words. Here I need to give it in a separate line. First I need to use them separately. So these are the elements. We have 4 elements in the list. So if I do write line, this is document 3. If I do write line, so what will happen? So the document 3 also it's saved in this folder. Now let us see document 4. I use /n so that it will come in the next line automatically. Okay, so the file has been closed properly and will say try to run all these documents. We'll see that. So we are going to read that part. Okay, so here I'm going to write to here. I need to finish. So document 1 dot txt comma r can be mode, then t is equal to f dot read. It will read, then I will print that t, then I will close. Next I will try to open document 4. So everything will be same here. Second document, then I will press T. Then here I will use third document and I will press T here. Then here I will use fourth document, then I will use. So let us check whether it's possible. Okay, so you can see here it is reading everything. So as you can see, I have used line by line. So here we are getting confusion, so make it as different documents from where it starts. So here in below I will write print /n/n, then /t/t/t document 2, and here same thing I will copy, and after that I will paste here. Here will be document 3. After closing this I will write here, so document 4. Now let us see that. So you can see the difference. Write lines I am doing simple write means you can see the second document. To elaborate more, what are the main changes I have done, I will write here. Document 2 I just use write by using write function, and here we have used lines, and here also we used lines, but one difference, lines and /n. Everyone knows what is the function of /n now. Now as you can see, /n part not coming. Okay, to show my /n, what I need to do? Yes, I will use one more slash. So now you can see it clearly. I have used here write, so it will, by using write it has written like this, and I have used write lines. It will write every words. It will take all the words, different words, and combine together in a single line. Then here write lines with /n, all the words are denoted with /n. So this is what the function of different write lines. You can see here. So we have created these documents. Let us see next part. We'll take a new file now.